Waiting for comms. Oh, everybody's going.
I'll wait for no man.
They're gonna take portal 3 for this one, and then we're gonna go take portal
I've
2.
never
So
been
all
here.
spawns will be portal 2.
Yeah, what?
Boys, they went
All right.
portal 3.
Get to portal 2 and regroup together. I saw people go to portal 3. All right.
Shit.
I have Soundless Mage on
Regroup,
too, so if
regroup
you
up on the
get
other side of the river.
really
cards,
love-
he's
We're gonna
the...
regroup here.
Oh, sorry.
Food buffs, by the way. Guardians and remedies as we engage.
Okay, I'm gonna FOD this.
Alright, let's go across.
Regroup on the other side of the river right now.
Yeah, please do.
I didn't feud anybody.
I didn't either. Okay,
Go
try to
across,
use
go
line of
across,
sight
go
when
across
we
now. Bullshit,
advance here,
Onyx.
because they will be hitting us
Everybody
hard,
here,
and the
everybody
back
here.
line and all that
Come,
good
come,
shit
come.
too. Everybody group up on Caesar, please.
All right, we're gonna move forward here. Move forward.
Alright, here we go.
Alright,
I'm
nice.
gonna bash it.
Engage. Kill the people in us first.
There we go. Blood Devo out. I'm gonna pull, go in for a suck in 3 and 2.
Anybody's got room and wants to invite me, because I'm still in Jay's party outside. I'm in the war game.
Idea.
What do you do?
Oh, I died instantly.
Watch it right. Watch her. We're gonna have to fall back.
We almost need to get to that next time.
I mean, we have a lot of people just sitting in our back lines.
Don't stay in the choke
But
point.
yeah.
Do not stay in the choke point. You guys know this by now.
I go back in 2.
I said
We
push
got
forward
this.
and you stayed in the choke point. That is very smart.
Alright. We all good? We all here?
Regroup. Portal 2.
I'm
Portal
coming.
2. Portal 2.
Okay, we're
Alright,
regrouping
boys,
portal
basic-
2. Don't
back
go
to
across.
basics.
Don't go
Choke
across.
point bad. No stay choke point. Okay. Get in portal 2. Regroup here.
I mean, some of us could go around left, I think, and through the water. That wouldn't be bad. Maybe our group should do that.
Regroup choke point. Regroup
listen to
regroup
comms,
at
so.
2.
Onyx,
Two,
run!
two.
Run for your pretty little life, Onyx! Run into the water! Jump in the water! Jump! Swim to me! Swim to me!
Portal 2. Regroup first.
Dude,
Regroup
I've been
first.
alive all
Alright.
the time.
I'll reiterate this again. Choke point bad. No stay choke point. Okay.
That's okay, I got this.
There's some people checking the stairs over there.
I see that, yeah.
Alright. Heal up. We're gonna swim across.
Let's run across, okay.
We're gonna use these buildings as LOS, and we're gonna lure them in.
Might
We're
be
not
able to
gonna
get up top of this
push too
building.
far forward. Actually, we'll push
Got
to the
that.
right. We're
Walk
gonna
up.
push a little bit to the right.
I did,
but
and then
do
I
not
went, I
fall,
went
do not
down and I
fall.
just died
Catch
instantly.
people out here.
Yeah,
Catch
try to
people
stay
out
up there maybe then. Okay, we're in the building. We're moving around to the left of the building. I'm gonna get in the back lines, okay? You with me, Garden? Careful, lady. This is gonna be deadly for you.
Yeah.
That's fine. You guys, where you guys were? Micros.
Call it.
Oh, no.
Media.
Fuck. There's nobody here.
Anti-tank should be taking care of the group behind us.
On target, 1.
Yeah.
He's got heal.
Actually,
Try to,
we're
Diva Alpha
staying
walk.
in this thing again.
Okay, we're gonna have to try to fall back.
yeah.
He wants our army far back.
Stop falling back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Who's fighting on this one?
Come back. Regroup.
They're gonna get wiped though. It's okay. Back to spawn. Regroup first.
Let's go back here.
Portal 2.
Holy stun lock. Yeah. That was fast.
Can you put a
Regroup
marker
portal
on
2. Portal 2.
Patty?
Portal 2.
Yeah, you see him?
Alright, we're gonna run north.
Yeah, he's just a horse running north.
We're gonna go for a more open space here. We're gonna run north a little bit.
not the wrong worker.
No
It's gonna be
fucking way.
shield.
Why would you do
Hold on.
this?
I'm gonna see if we can actually get up one here.
What? Oh, help walk on back.
He's dead.
Got him.
Run north. Look at me.
Alright,
Follow me
everybody
now.
cross
Follow
the-
me now.
Go
Follow me
across
now.
the water. Yep, I'm going across.
We're gonna push in right away. Gonna push in right away. Okay.
Pushing in right away. I'll probably start off. Start with defense. Start
Copy.
everything.
Bust out. I'm gonna push in. Try to live. Sucking now.
Yeah,
Push
flashing.
forward. Why are you guys staying in the choke point, bro? Push forward. Push forward. Push forward. Push forward.
Media down on you.
Copy. Try to live here.
I don't know, tornado forward.
Copy. Moving up. Moving up.
Yeah, move up, move
I'm in
up.
the back line.
We're
On
going back
target
on,
one,
back on.
target
Wait, yeah.
Oh, he got swept. Watch out. Healer down.
Okay. Wait.
I got nothing for you, Waka.
Push forward. There we go. There we go. Now we have people forward. Let's push forward here. Push forward. Get the fuck out of the choke point.
Right
Keep-
in.
keep-
Trying to
keep
live in
moving.
sacred. Try to pray in sacred. Trying to help them.
Kinda good to you guys.
Target. On my target.
I'm gonna respawn and come right back to you.
Copy. I'm moving forward still. Moving forward still. I'm gonna go. I can't cap now.
Respawners that come in through two.
Oh, fuck, we're fucked here.
Right away and hit them from behind here.
I got the full.
I'm gonna try to suck in the back lines.
On the way
Sucking.
back to you guys, I'm almost there. I'm almost back. Don't give up.
Ashing out. Oh, we're
Flash
thick.
soon. He's dead. Flashing and got them, but we're fucked here.
Trying to just
Oh.
come directly across for Onyx. Hit it and quit it, baby. I'm trying to get to garden. I see garden. Move to garden.
Okay, there's no. Let's up on the roof.
Alright, let's go to the, back this way, garden.
Why are you? See there?
I'm just across the way, like I teleport. I flew
I heard
over
you.
directly. Okay,
We fight the people on the back.
yeah, I'm in the back.
Uh huh. I don't know about all the way there.
I don't know what
I'm gonna die from
Okay,
crossing
where are you?
there. I'm dead.
Alright. I'm buddy, Roadhog. Fucking, I'm moving a point. Let's see this garden. Wait for it. I'm gonna suck an extra over here. 3 and 2, 1 suck.
Can I reach there for me?
Oh, it's a healer. Fuck me.
Dead.
max
Click on my turn
CC.
back around. Watching you.
I'm trying to help Waka. Watch out, Waka.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I don't know. Just play on the roofs or something if you can.
Yeah, kill squad's on the roof. I'd rather just play with you.
Copy that.
I got natures and flash off on you guys, but
Keep fighting. Keep
Dead.
fighting. It's a brawl. It's a brawl. Practice your micros here. Make
I can't
sure your
touch
target
flag.
selection's on
Oh, I
point.
can
Make
touch
sure
flag.
you're
I'm touching flag.
fighting around
Keep
your
me covered,
party.
garden.
I'm gonna stay with Demi. I think. I got.
I'm flying
you
over
can-
the backside with them.
I'm touching again.
Phoebe, here. I'm on Phoebe. Big damage going on. We have Viz coming here, dropping smoke screen on you.
Cool on you guys. Just want flag.
Nice smoke screen. Perfect. Good shit, guys.
Yep.
Now
Oh, buddy.
tornado on this guy that's capping the
prime.
back. I'm scout.
Cap. Get him off. Get him off.
Yeah.
Focus him, focus him.
Meter down. Meter down.
Recapping. Recapping.
We on.
Get on prime.
They're pulling back some.
Fight around the rift. Fight around the rift.
Yeah, we have double sacred on the.
Stay far
This
away
way.
from the
Copy.
rooftops.
He's got immune. Hit him now. That was a good try there, guys. That was an awesome try.
You might want to look back where back of Demi is getting heavy.
I'm coming back now.
We drew a lot of them to us, guys. That's what we did.
Yeah, it was good. See where Fatty is? I'm gonna drop on that. 3, 2. Whoa! I got knocked out of there.
We are
Oh,
not.
I'm gonna need one Onyx. Oh, I was gonna be sorry, buddy.
Okay, play slow, guys. Play slow.
Yeah.
Till Caesar
Play with the
gets back.
group first, yeah.
Lady, go on that roof. Regroup on this roof, guys. Near Onyx and Lady.
Yeah.
Off the roof. I'm in the fucking. Oh.
Okay, I'm dropping on Lady. I could use a top. I'm top up.
Oh, fuck.
There's cost one.
Prone on him.
Tomo one.
On my
He's
target
still
on
on me.
roof. On
He's
roof.
still on me. Okay.
We're under the roof, guys.
Copy.
Let
Moving.
it drop. These are.
I could use a heal. I can't move. Make it. They go.
Yes.
Good heals. Good heals. All right, let's move around left.
Range try to get on top of the roofs if you can.
Okay. See where Fatty. I'm gonna go for a stun.
Copy. See you guys.
All right. We can try to hold here if you want.
Yep. We have this backside clear, so.
Okay. Coming to you.
Come on, Kit Kat.
Second.
Here. Smoke
Yeah,
away.
someone
smoke on
else.
us.
Look at
Look what?
look at Fiery. Wait, Fiery.
Yeah, I see him on target.
Yeah.
Prone on.
Yeah. Meter down on.
Blood Diva for you. I'm following him back. I'm capping.
We got Momo in the back here.
Okay.
Teamwork. First.
Capping again.
Yeah. I see Momo.
He's one.
Yeah, I see him. Oh, careful.
Fireball out.
We're
Fireball
getting
out.
into the. Yeah.
Okay, go back to point.
Oh, they're coming in right now. No tornado on the outside.
Good cap.
Get cutie on me. Oh, you just full fucking health one shot. Holy shit.
Yeah, they're turning back on this now. We're fucked.
Well, this might be the end of us. Game doesn't know where I'm at.
I'm just running.
All right, Garden. I'm capping this bitch. Ah!
You guys still alive?
Mr.
Yeah.
Clean is the healer here.
I'm almost back.
Amazon Mr. Clean.
Oh my god. I love you, Garden. Good shit.
I'm gonna try to fly back.
Okay, Prime Scout on target. He's capped.
Mr. Clean is the healer.
They got it back.
Yeah, I see that guy, Demi.
Pearl one.
Yeah, I see him. Tomoko on the back.
Tomo's on the back. He's fucking
I got pulled. I need something. I
How
need
did we do that?
anything.
I gave you a shield.
Watching guys. Their main ball is coming back here. The main ball is coming back.
I'm looking back to the pole. I'm gonna suck in 3. Looking for a Waka. No. Oh fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, the main ball turned back. We just pull back.
Yeah.
All the way back.
Run! Run for your lives! Is this a regroup angle? Yeah, one
Yeah.
second. Okay, regroup fast. Spawn, guys. Waiting on just a couple more. Just waiting on Garden now, and then we're gonna hit the thing and just fly over, okay? Is Garden so? Oh no, here it comes, here it comes. Okay, 3 and 2, 1, go. Okay, try to land on this rooftop, and we're gonna hit him in the back. Okay. Oh, right in the middle. Right in the middle. I'm gonna suck in 3, in 2, 1. Now. It's fast.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fast.
You there? I have a spear on me now.
But debuff for you.
Down back. Why am I a turtle? Flashing out.
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
Bad Ethan on me right now.
Silence?
Oh, what the fuck? Where are you guys?
I died dead. I'm coming back now. Trying to make this look up.
Fuck. I can't believe that guy stuck with me for like a minute or two.
Did comms go out?
Yeah, it comes quiet.
Come. Oh, God.
I need to get shield block.
Where's the...
I'm at spawn. Yeah, this looks like a regroup angle.
We're on
Want
the
to
choke
just push with the main
copy.
ball?
Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna drop on Demi here.
One Kajui.
I'm right behind Garden, moving in. Okay, I'm gonna push to the background, Garden. You with me on this? Well, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Flashing you?
Taking Boonstone out, taking Boonstone out, taking Boonstone,
Second.
taking Boonstone.
Flashing you? Can't get there. QD on me.
Try to move. I'm just gonna push through this to Boonstone. That was the calm. If you can try to get up to me, guys.
Yeah. There's a fly over
One
there.
coming in them. It's just us over here. We have to get a target, okay? Let's figure out who we're gonna go on. How about Mr. Clean?
Need help at Boon, need help at Boon.
Big damage on him. Big damage on him.
Deadly
Big damage.
marker.
CC. Ah, someone has to die here.
I'm eating coffee now.
I got pulled.
Fuck.
Flying right now. Get me. Get down. Yep. Drop the full on the flag. Kills on 2 minutes. I got full in.
Oh my god.
Gotta get out here.
Coffee now.
And he's dead.
I'm flying back.
I'm eating coffee.
Flashing you? You AD? I'm a tornado.
Oh, fuck, I guess.
Bullet.
Down again. I'm immune.
I don't have flash.
Okay, I guess not.
Just slow them.
Eating coffee now. Fuck. It's just too much. Just too much.
No, I'm dead.
We should try to focus on those guys.
I'm gonna toss you lead so you can they can take a target off you because I'm
Okay,
kind of stuck
copy.
capping.
Yeah, I can do that. Cutie, Furl, Mobo. Mobo's on top of that house, guys.
I see him.
Copy, I'm coming through.
T target.
I'm on him. Alright, well GG's guys, GG's.
Oh,
I
I
got
already
a
entered
lot
the
of
game.
fucking chain pulls.
Yeah, they got a lot of big pullers.
We're done for boys. We're cooked. We had 0 kills.
0 kills?
Mhm.
As an army?
As a group.
Crush.
Crash. Pure garbage.
I mean,
Gordon.
if a spear or great sword daggers stick on me, I'm just dead. Like,
Where's
there's
mom?
nothing I could do.
We need
Look
to
how
place
long
that.
all
mid
their
side.
healers.
Head to our Boon is good, right? Okay, it's good.
All right. Well, GG. We
Thank you guys.
we tried.
Bro, bro, when we choose a fucking bomb, bro, that shit was
It's been so long since we actually PvP'd.
Yeah.
you can blow
Yeah.
people up.
We need to get more of these in.
It was,
I think.
it was a good gear check.
Sure. Sure.
The
I mean, we
tanks are
didn't do
actually
too bad.
easier.
Like we did what we're supposed to. It sucks that we can really can secure any kills. Obviously, that kind of blows. But I mean, as a group, I don't think we did horrible.
Especially considering we were on the point. Y'all were living for a hot
Because
minute with
if it's
the
like
heals we were able to put out.
libs or even
Yeah, no, you
crusaders,
guys
if
did
you
good
do like
with those heals,
20%,
honestly.
30% of their health, we're one-shotting them. Like my curse bomb, sometimes like 100-0 crusaders even if they don't have enough like weaken resist,
Do I
and I
need
can
max
stack my
shield block pen?
Tevin on them. It's just GG.
I mean,
like I'll do
probably.
like 36, 40 plus K
If you're
damage
hitting
on them.
tanks at all,
and
and a
they
lot of
can't
times
build
we're
HP
hitting
against
tanks.
It just yeah. Like you saw that earlier, right? Like I was fucking attacking like 6 people on my own.
If you're in the resistance, it's free.
So we just need to keep like Evo alive, Evo, Chartimus, and generally Templars will keep ourselves alive.
It would be nice if we had another blood devo in group. Not gonna lie.
That's from SNS.
Great sword.
Oh.
Hey, have you been to the forest of the Great Tree?
That is called the Paladin builds, if I am not mistaken.
Yeah. Not
No,
too many
I
paladins out there.
But you were there not so long ago, right? How was it?
It looks just fun. Like one of those classes is just, you know, it might not be the most impactful, but it just looks so fun to play.
Most of the time it's so quiet and peaceful. But that all changes once the Song of the Great Tree starts.
If you want to use the breeze line, please take the lift.
Song of
If
the
you're in the
Great Tree.
resistance,
What
it's
is that?
free.
Yeah. I mean,
Did you know that the Walpertinger spirits are living in that
yeah.
giant tree?
I mean, we did like pretty decent there towards the end. It was just yeah. I don't know. I know, like, you know, being close to other people might give you a false sense of security, but once you get dove by a fucking, you know, fucking unga bunga, it's over for you.
I think when they turn back onto the point, we need to just pull off.